Hey folks, welcome to week 17. Just very quickly, this is all about work on the essay itself. So on Wednesday this week, please have your draft complete, your essay 3 or essay 4 rough draft complete and submitted. If the later it is, just the less time you've got to be working on the rest of things. So the faster you can get in, the better. By Friday, I want you to look for an email noting that essay 4 is in Google Docs and then complete your self review. And look for an email with peer review pairings, and then complete peer review by Monday. Okay, so you'll have the weekend to work on that. So there is a sample essay 4 draft. Dropbox to submit that essay 4 draft. There's just an explanation of how to go through and do self-review, and this will happen after I put it into Google Docs for you. So it's going to happen. You're going to turn your paper in. I'm going to put it in Google Docs. You'll then complete the self-review work on it by Friday, and then I will put peer review pairings together. You'll work with one other person. That'll be for Monday, and then there is a quick class evaluation. Actually, we'll take the class evaluation out right now. Okay, so just those three pieces, all about work on the essay. If you've got questions, don't hesitate to let me know.